Want to transfer your Nintendo Switch screenshots to an Android phone? This can be tricky if your Switch is filled with screenshots and videos, or because Android devices don't directly connect to the Switch like iPhones can with QR codes. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get your Switch screenshots onto your Android device quickly. Let's begin. So from your home menu, go to your album. Now select a screenshot or video. Press the A button. Choose Send to Smartphone. Now from here, you can select multiple screenshots or videos by going to Send a Batch, or only share this one by selecting only this one. I'll go with Send a Batch. Now select your screenshots and videos from here and hit Send. A QR code will show up now. This brings us to our Android phone. I'm using my Samsung phone and it has a built-in QR code scanner in the camera app. If your phone camera app doesn't have a QR code scanner built in, you can always go to Play Store to download one. It's really simple. So anyways, on our Android phone, let's open the camera app, then point the camera to the QR code. The sensor should automatically start scanning the QR code the moment you put your camera lens towards it. Tap on the Join Switch link on your camera screen. You'll be linked with the network of your Switch now. Go back to the camera app again. After that, scan the second QR code. Click this IP link on your camera screen this time. This will direct you to the Switch server. Here's your screenshots and videos. You can save them just like how you usually save something from Google. Press and hold the screenshot, choose Download Image, and that will do. You can easily open it after it's downloaded and it will be saved on your gallery. And that's it. That's how you can easily share your Switch screenshots and videos to your Android phone. If this guide helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips just like this. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.